Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we have a very special and simple story for you. It's called My Family. This story is great for English learners, especially beginners, who want to improve their listening and vocabulary skills. You will hear about daily life, family members, and the love we share at home. So, sit back, relax, and enjoy this beautiful story. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more easy English stories every week. My family. My name is Armin, and I live in a small house with my family. My family is very important to me. We love each other, help each other, and always try to stay happy together. There are 6 people in my family: my father, my mother, my 2 sisters, my little brother, and me. My father's name is Kareem. He is a kind and hardworking man. He works as a driver. Every morning he wakes up early and goes to work. He drives a big car and helps many people get to their jobs. My father is very smart. In the evening, when he comes home, he always asks us about our day. He listens to us and gives us good advice. Sometimes he brings fruit or sweets for us. He likes to drink tea and sit with the family after dinner. He tells us stories from when he was a child. My mother's name is Layla. She is the heart of our home. She wakes up before everyone and prepares breakfast. She cooks, cleans, and takes care of all of us. My mother makes the best food. She cooks rice, soup, vegetables, and sometimes special dishes for celebrations. When we are sick, she takes care of us. My mother also teaches us good manners. She tells us to be kind, honest, and respectful to others. I love my mother very much because she always smiles, even when she is tired. I have 2 sisters. My older sister's name is Farzana. She is 20 years old and studies at university. She wants to become a teacher. Farzana is very smart and helps me with my homework. She also helps my mother with the cooking. She is very good at making cakes and cookies. My younger sister's name is Sana. She is only 10 years old. She goes to school and loves drawing. She draws pictures of flowers, houses, and people. Her drawings are very colorful. She is funny and always makes us laugh. My little brother's name is Haroon. He is 5 years old. He does not go to school yet, but he knows many words and songs. He sings songs loudly in the morning and runs around the house. Haroon is very active. He likes to play with cars, balls, and blocks. He also likes to follow me everywhere. Sometimes he breaks things, but he always says sorry with a smile. We all love Haroon because he brings joy to our home. Our family lives in a 2-bedroom house. It is not big, but it is full of love. We have a small garden in front of our house. My father grows flowers and some vegetables there. On weekends, we water the plants together. My mother likes to sit in the garden and drink tea in the afternoon. Sometimes we all sit together outside and talk or play games. Every day, our family follows a simple routine. In the morning, we wake up and eat breakfast together. Then, my father goes to work. My mother starts cleaning and cooking. My sisters and I go to school. After school, we come home and do our homework. We help our mother with the housework. In the evening, we eat dinner as a family. After dinner, we watch television or talk. On Fridays, we go to visit our grandparents. They live in another house, not far from ours. My grandfather tells us interesting stories from the past. He is very wise and knows many things. My grandmother makes tasty bread and gives us warm hugs. We enjoy spending time with them. Sometimes our cousins also come and we play together in the yard. During holidays, our family does special things. We clean the house, decorate the walls, and cook delicious food. My mother makes sweet dishes like fernie and cake. We wear clean clothes and visit our relatives. Everyone is happy and we take many photos. These moments are full of joy and laughter. Sometimes we face problems. Maybe someone gets sick or we have a small argument. But we always talk to each other and solve our problems. We forgive each other and try to stay close. My parents teach us that family is the most important thing in life. They say that we should always support each other. My favorite time with my family is at night when we all sit together. We drink tea, eat fruit, and talk about our day. My father asks each of us how our day was. My mother smiles and listens. My little brother plays with his toys. My sisters and I share stories from school. These moments are small but very special. I feel safe and happy in my family. They always care for me and teach me good values. They give me love, respect, and support. I try my best to be a good son and a good brother. I study hard so that one day I can help my parents and give them a good life. I want to be successful and make them proud. My family is my world. I thank God every day for giving me such a loving family. Without them, life would not be the same. They make me strong, happy, and hopeful. I know that no matter what happens, my family will always be there for me, and I will always be there for them. My father is the head of our family. He is kind, patient, and always works hard to take care of us. Every morning, he wakes up early to go to work. He never complains, even when he is tired. He always has a smile on his face when he comes home. In the evening, we sit together and he tells us about his day. He also listens to us and gives us advice. I love my father very much. He is not just my dad, he is also my best friend. My mother is the heart of our home. She cooks delicious food, keeps the house clean, and takes care of everyone. But she does more than that. She gives love and warmth to our family. When I feel sad or tired, I go to my mother and she always knows how to make me feel better. Her hugs are full of love. She helps me with my studies and encourages me to do my best. I feel lucky to have such a wonderful mother. I also have siblings. I have one brother and one sister. My brother is younger than me. He is very funny and loves to play football. We play together in the garden and sometimes fight like all brothers do, but we always become friends again. My sister is older than me. She is very smart and always helps me with my homework. I like talking to her because she listens and gives me good advice. She also teaches me new things and tells me interesting stories. On weekends, we all spend time together. Sometimes we go to the park, sometimes we go to visit our grandparents. My grandfather tells us stories from the past, and my grandmother gives us sweets and tea. Their house feels warm and full of love. We laugh a lot when we are all together. These are moments I will always remember. During holidays, we like to travel to new places. We pack our bags and go on family trips. We take pictures, eat new foods, and explore beautiful places. These trips are very special to me because we are all together, and we make memories that stay in our hearts forever. At home, every night we eat dinner together. We sit around the table and talk about our day. Everyone shares their stories. We laugh, sometimes we cry, but we always support each other. After dinner, we clean up together and then relax. Sometimes we watch television. Sometimes we play games. And sometimes we just talk. These simple moments are the most beautiful ones in life. When someone in the family is sick or has a problem, we all help. We never leave each other alone. My parents taught us to always stand together no matter what. This gives me strength. I know that with my family, I can face any challenge. My family has taught me many things. They taught me how to be honest, how to be kind, and how to respect others. They taught me the value of hard work and the importance of being thankful. They taught me how to love and how to forgive. These lessons will stay with me forever. I feel safe when I am with my family. Their love protects me. I can be myself, and they accept me just the way I am. They celebrate my success and support me when I fail. They never judge me. Instead, they lift me up and help me grow. Sometimes, life is difficult. We all have problems. But when I have my family beside me, I do not feel alone. Their love gives me hope. It gives me the power to keep going. No matter what happens in the future, I know I will be okay because I have my family. I also try to give love to my family. I help my parents when they need help. I play with my siblings. I do my best to be a good son and a good brother. I try to make them proud. I want to be a person who brings happiness to their lives, just like they bring happiness to mine. Family is not just about living in the same house. It is about love, trust, and support. It is about laughing together, crying together, and growing together. It is about always being there for each other, in good times and in bad times. I pray every day that my family stays healthy, safe, and happy. I want us to be together forever. I want to do good things in life so I can give back to them. They have given me so much, and I want to make their lives better too. In the future, I want to build a family like the one I have. A family full of love and care. A family where everyone feels important. I will take the lessons I learned from my parents and teach them to my children. I will tell them about the beautiful family I grew up in. My family is not perfect. We have small problems, like every family. But our love is strong, and it keeps us united. We forgive each other. We support each other. And we grow together. That is what makes us special. 10. Thank you for reading my story about my family. I hope you enjoyed it. Please support this channel by liking the video, subscribing, and watching our other videos. Your support means a lot to us.